So monsoon is here. I know I'm saying that on a rather sunny day as we're shooting outside right now, but how do you go about prepping your car up on a sunny day like this for when it rains? Well, here are some tips that you can keep in mind. Visibility is your friend during the monsoon season because, unsurprisingly, you need to look where you are going. And in order to be able to do that during the monsoon, well, you need to take care of your wiper blades. See, the thing is, they tend to get hard and brittle over time, and that could not only give you a poor cleaning experience when it rains, but it could also damage your windshield. So make sure that you give it a check. Maybe try cleaning your windshield with it once to see how it goes, and if you don't find it to be satisfactory, get them replaced. Also, while you're at it, top up that washer fluid too. Now that your visibility is sorted out, the next thing we need to look at are the tires. Now, good tires are important in every weather and driving conditions, but even more so when it rains. You see those grooves on the tires? Well, they are meant to ward off excess water from the tires and help you maintain a prominent contact patch between the tire rubber and the road below. This, as you would think, is important because it helps you turn and it helps you brake. So a worn out tire without proper grooves will mean that in emergency braking scenarios or during sharp turns, your car won't stop or turn easily, and that can be a life or death situation. So if you've been planning to change those tires, now is the time to do so. Speaking of emergency scenarios, brakes are extremely important too. They work hand in hand with the quality of tires your car has, and your tires are going to be as good as your brake pads when you really need them to perform. So make sure you get that checked and replaced if need be. It is important to check your electricals, whether everything is working or not, especially since now most of our cars have been standing idle for months. So just check whether all your lights, blinkers, fog lamps, headlamps and all of that is working properly. While you're at it, also check the battery condition because during the monsoon, you will be using the electrical components like all these lights and wipers a lot more. A lot of people have the same concern as you when the monsoon approaches, and in order to meet that demand, almost every automaker comes out with a pre-monsoon service package which focuses exactly at the things that need to be checked for the rainy season. Now the checks that we mentioned are important, but it is always advisable to visit a professional if you can, as they would have a more comprehensive checklist and the right tools to perform that check properly and do the service work required. So there you have it. These are our tips for the upcoming monsoon season. So grab your umbrella, pop it into the car and be ready for the rainy day.